Let's go for the third heat, shall we? Yeah, this thing will balance correctly. Now, we have 3 very well-designed robots. Only 2 will be able to go through. 1 will be able to go through the loser's melee. Let's just see who these robots are. Double Driver, the only cluster bot in this series. Both flippers, very similar to Up the Creek. And they could do very well. Raimi, yes, one of the more weird-looking robots, with these 2 lifting fists on the front. And this one, well, it looks like 1 wheel, but it's actually 2. These middle wheels. It's a bit exposed, but we've never seen a lot of damage done to them. And last but not least, Scarab, with that weird shovel jaw in the front. And some stupid cage that you more than likely saw on Techno Trousers in Hogwild 94's Megabot Wars. So, let's get this thing underway, shall we? Roboteers, stand by. 3, 2, 1, activate. Double Driver immediately separating, getting an attack on Raimi. Whoa, nearly flicking Raimi there. They could not get under Raimi's unusual ground flares. One of them actually got themselves for them. Flicking Raimi now, doing very good. And, oh, look at that. Flick Scarab. Just look at the size comparison of Scarab to one of the Double Driver twins. You'll see how lumbering Scarab is in comparison. Scarab could be in trouble here. Scarab now trying to attack one of the twins. Double Driver. Oh, seems Raimi almost has them. Oh, Raimi has Scarab on their side. Very close to the camera. And I think the cameraman knows what Raimi's gonna do. I hope, maybe. No, Raimi's just setting Scarab up, but for who? Oh, the Double Driver twins. One of them comes in. Oh, Scarab's out of the arena and in the box, funnily enough. Double Driver and Raimi go through.